The Jurassic period, spanning from 201 to 145 million years ago, was a golden age of dinosaurs. It gave rise to some of the most iconic creatures in Earth's history. Among these was Kentrosaurus, a remarkable herbivore whose array of spikes and plates made it both an object of beauty and a defensive marvel. This dinosaur's small size, coupled with its intricate armor, reflects the evolutionary ingenuity that shaped the age of dinosaurs. The discovery of Kentrosaurus is a testament to the golden era of paleontology. In the early 1900s, German expeditions to the Tendaguru Formation in Tanzania uncovered a treasure trove of late Jurassic fossils. Among these fossils were the remains of Kentrosaurus, first described by Edwin Hennig in 1915. The name Kentrosaurus means pointed lizard, derived from the Greek kentron, point, and sauros, lizard. This name highlights the dinosaur's most distinctive feature, the series of spikes and plates running along its back and tail. Although initially overshadowed by its larger relative, Stegosaurus, Kentrosaurus has since gained recognition as one of the most intriguing stegosaurs. Fossil evidence suggests that Kentrosaurus was relatively abundant in its ecosystem. Partial skeletons and individual bones have provided paleontologists with a detailed understanding of its anatomy and behavior. The Tendaguru Formation, where Kentrosaurus was discovered, remains one of the richest Jurassic fossil sites in the world. Kentrosaurus was smaller than its relatives, measuring about 4.5 to 5 meters, 15 to 16 feet, in length and weighing an estimated 1 to 2 tons. Despite its modest size, it was a robust and heavily built dinosaur. Its body was supported by powerful hind legs and shorter front limbs, giving it a slightly arched posture. This body structure suggests that Kentrosaurus was a slow but steady mover, well suited for grazing on low vegetation. Its compact size may have also made it more agile compared to larger stegosaurs. Kentrosaurus was adorned with an intricate arrangement of bony plates and spikes that served multiple purposes. Plates. These flat, triangular structures ran along its back, transitioning into spikes toward the hips. While smaller than those of Stegosaurus, these plates likely played a role in thermoregulation or visual display. Spikes. The most striking feature of Kentrosaurus was its tail spikes, collectively known as the thagomizer. These spikes, some measuring up to 70 centimeters, 28 inches in length, were formidable defensive weapons. Additionally, shoulder spikes provided extra protection against predators. The combination of plates and spikes made Kentrosaurus a walking fortress, capable of deterring even the most persistent attackers. The head of Kentrosaurus was small and narrow, equipped with a toothless beak at the front and rows of leaf-shaped teeth further back. These teeth were ideal for clipping and processing tough plant material. Kentrosaurus likely swallowed its food whole, relying on gastroliths, stones ingested to aid digestion, to grind plant matter in its stomach. As a herbivore, Kentrosaurus fed primarily on low-lying vegetation. Its limited neck mobility prevented it from reaching high plants, so it likely browsed on ferns, cycads, and horsetails. The dinosaur's wide body cavity suggests it had a large gut, allowing it to digest fibrous plant material efficiently. The thagomizer was Kentrosaurus's most effective weapon. Positioned at the end of its muscular tail, these spikes could deliver powerful swinging blows to deter predators. Fossil evidence from related species indicates that these spikes could leave deep wounds, making Kentrosaurus a dangerous opponent. In addition to its tail spikes, Kentrosaurus relied on its small size and possible agility to evade predators. Shoulder spikes and group-living behavior further enhanced its survival strategies. Evidence suggests that Kentrosaurus may have been a social animal, living in herds. Fossil sites containing multiple individuals indicate that these dinosaurs might have traveled together, providing safety in numbers. Herds would have been particularly advantageous for protecting juveniles from predators. Kentrosaurus thrived in the lush ecosystems of the Tendaguru Formation, located in modern-day Tanzania. During the late Jurassic, this region was characterized by dense forests, providing ample food for herbivorous dinosaurs. Floodplains, seasonal rivers, and wetlands supported diverse plant and animal life. Coastal proximity. The nearby sea influenced the climate, creating humid conditions that supported rich vegetation. The Tendaguru ecosystem was home to a wide variety of dinosaurs, including herbivores like Giraffatitan and Dicraeosaurus, and predators like Allosaurus and Ceratosaurus. Kentrosaurus occupied a crucial niche as a mid-sized herbivore, contributing to the balance of the ecosystem. Despite its formidable defenses, Kentrosaurus faced threats from several predators, including Allosaurus, a large, powerful theropod capable of taking down heavily armored prey; Ceratosaurus, a smaller but equally dangerous predator that likely targeted juveniles or isolated individuals. Kentrosaurus relied on its thagomizer, shoulder spikes, and herd behavior to deter these predators. However, environmental challenges such as droughts or competition for resources also posed significant risks. Kentrosaurus fossils provide valuable insights into the evolution of stegosaurs. Unlike its more famous relative, Stegosaurus, Kentrosaurus retains several primitive features, making it an important species for understanding the early stages of stegosaur evolution. Comparative studies have revealed key differences in the arrangement of plates and spikes between Kentrosaurus and other stegosaurs. These variations highlight the adaptability of stegosaurs to different environments and ecological niches. Additionally, the abundance of Kentrosaurus fossils in the Tendaguru Formation has allowed researchers to study its growth patterns, biomechanics, and population dynamics in detail. Kentrosaurus is often compared to its larger and more famous relative, Stegosaurus. While both dinosaurs share common traits, such as bony plates and tail spikes, they differ in several key aspects. 1. Size. Kentrosaurus was significantly smaller than Stegosaurus, making it more agile. 2. Armor. The plates of Kentrosaurus were smaller and less prominent, with spikes playing a more dominant role. 3. Geographic range. Kentrosaurus lived in Africa, while Stegosaurus was native to North America. These differences underscore the diversity within the Stegosauridae family and their ability to adapt to various environments. Although not as well known as Stegosaurus, Kentrosaurus has made appearances in documentaries, video games, and museum exhibits. Its unique appearance and defensive adaptations have captured the imagination of dinosaur enthusiasts worldwide. Advances in paleoart and digital modeling have brought Kentrosaurus to life in stunning detail, helping to educate the public about this fascinating dinosaur. Kentrosaurus was a small but mighty dinosaur, perfectly adapted to its environment through its unique combination of armor, spikes, and social behavior. As a key player in the late Jurassic ecosystem, it highlights the incredible diversity of life that flourished during this period. Through ongoing research and discoveries, Kentrosaurus continues to shed light on the evolutionary history of stegosaurs and the ecosystems they inhabited. Its legacy endures as a symbol of resilience and adaptability in the face of a challenging world.